Hey everybody, what's going on? What's shown here is a picture of the stock steering wheel that my car came with. It's a flappy thumb switch wheel for PDK, which is a little odd, so I decided I wanted to do something about it. I upgraded to a flappy paddle PDK wheel. However, as you can see in the picture here, there's definitely something sticking out. While the center of the old steering wheel was black, the center of this one is silver, and the black airbag just kind of clashes. I put up with it for about a year because there was plenty of other black in the interior, but I finally decided to switch it up. So in this video, we're going to see how to change the color of leather and also fix a few tears. Enjoy. All right, I'm sorry it's a little dark in here. I'm working inside of a garage right now, but this is the result of the airbag work.
So it hasn't fully cured yet. In fact, it's only been drying for a few hours, but I went ahead and pushed it back in. And just in this light right here, looks like a pretty close match. I actually did take the car outside, drove it around. I'll insert a photo in here. And I couldn't get it in direct light, but from outside lighting, it was really, really, really close. I'm pretty happy with that match. So I'm sure when it cures, it might lighten up a little bit as well. So far, so good. So we're going to move on to, don't know if you can see it. Sorry, I'm working with the light here. I'll be working on these scratches right here. As soon as I can focus on this. Let's see. Those guys right there.
And here's the final result. I did a little more blending, but in the end, I don't know if it was absolutely necessary. The color definitely goes on a lot darker than it dries, and I can't be any happier with the color match that I achieved. All in all, I'm extremely impressed with this kit from Magic Mender. They are not a sponsor, however, I highly recommend their product. So once again, if you enjoyed what you saw, please subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.